Time. It's like a predator. It's stalking. In the end, time is going to hunt you down and make the kill. They say time is the fire in which we burn. Time has no meaning there. My time is running out.
Where you want. Surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure, see. And after several nights, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond the moon.
Where you are now.
Now you'll have to excuse me. I have an appointment with eternity, and I don't want to be late.
Where you are now.